looking at these three diagrams. Let's look at the first one. Does anybody see a pattern? Leah. 5 times 2 gives you the top, 5 plus 2 gives you 7 the bottom. Does that work for all of them? Multiply to the top, add to the bottom. Multiply to the top, add to the bottom. Okay. Explain how to find the question mark if you know the two question marks, if you know the hashtags. Thank you. Number sign. I'd call that number sign. We multiply to this, add to that. So, fill in these. What's the top going to be? Everybody. 12, 7. Oh, no. Now this takes a little more thought. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, I know. It's not that hard. 3 and 5, multiply to 15 and add to positive 8. Ooh. Okay. These two multiply to give you 4, and they add to give you 8.5. Right? Now, this one, we need to find 2 that multiply to this to add to this. Now, listen to me. Listen to me. When you're doing this, the top number, you are looking for factors. Factors of 8 are 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Neither one of those add to negative 6. But you also agree that it could be negative 1 and negative 8, and negative 2 and negative 2. There they are. So you're running through all the factors in your head. Sometimes they're more obvious than others. All right. Now, how is this going to come in handy? I'm going to show you this by undoing FOIL. I'm also going to draw right there. That's the ghetto version of a diamond. That's the top. These are the sides. That's the bottom, right? The touristy version. Shortcut method. Now, is this in standard form, guys? So we know when you have something that is of the form x squared plus bx plus c, and the coefficient of the x is 1. These are easy to factor. When the coefficient of the x squared is not 1, they become very complicated. But for right now, let's factor. What are the factors of x squared? How does x squared break up? X and x. Isn't that going to be my first? That's why this is easy. Because when this is x squared, your first in your two binomials are going to be x and x. Now, let's review FOIL. Don't my factors have to add to the middle and multiply to this? So watch what I'm going to do. They have to multiply to 8 and add to 6. What are my factors that multiply to 8 that add to 6? X plus 2 and x plus 4 done. Now, watch, if I FOIL this, what are my first? X squared. What are my outers? 4x. What are my inners? 4x and 2x does give me 6x. What are my last? 8. So I am looking for the factors of 8 that multiply multiply to 8 and add to 6. So, we just did that. Okay, here we go. Again, is this in standard form? This is your basic trinomial because the x squared term has a coefficient of 1. So, you are going to factor this by undoing FOIL. How does x squared factor? X and x. Now, if you want to do your diamond, we need two factors that multiply to 18 and add to 11. This number always goes on top. Multiply to this, add to this. What two numbers multiply to 18 and add to 11? 9 and 2. So x plus 9 and x plus 2. How can I check that? Do FOIL. Okay, so first, x squared. Outers are 2x, inners are 9x, 2x and 9x is 11x, and last are 18. Done. Yes. Now, if you have this, same exact thing, order does not matter. Signs matter. Now, let's look at this one. Is that your basic trinomial? Yes. How does y squared factor? Y and y. Now, if you want to draw your diamond, we need two numbers that multiply to 12 that add to 13. 1 and 12. So my factors are y plus 1 and y plus 12. You can check that, but it's going to work. Okay, now, this one gets a little more difficult. I want them to multiply to 15, add to negative 8. Make sure you keep the negative. Okay, so, how does x squared factor? X and x. Okay, what two numbers multiply to 15, add to negative 8? Correct. So, x minus 5, x minus 3. Now, let's check it. First, x squared, yes. Outers, negative 3x. Inners, negative 5x. What's negative 3 plus negative 5? Negative 8x. And last, negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Yes. We're not doing that yet. Right. Let's do this one. If you want to do your diamond, how does x squared factor? X and x. We want two factors that multiply to 39 that add, oopsie, to negative 16. Prove it. Negative 3 and negative 13. So x minus 3 and x minus 13. You're right. Okay, now, this one. How does x squared factor? We need factors that multiply to negative 18 and add to negative 7. Correct. Negative 9 and positive 2. So x minus 9, x plus 2. Now, I'm going to point something out right now. When your last term is positive, your two factors have to have the same sign. Because a positive times a positive is a positive. And a negative times a negative is a positive. They have to multiply to be a positive, so the signs need to be the same. When your last term is negative, your two factors have to be different. One has to be positive and the other has to be negative. The bigger one is going to be what? Whatever the sign in the middle one is. Right? The bigger one is going to be the sign of that middle term. Because let's check this. First are x squared. Outers, positive 2x. Inners, negative 9x. Positive 2 and negative 9 gives me negative 7x. And last, negative 18. All right, here we go. How does y squared factor? Y and y. I'm going to do my diamond. I need them to multiply to negative 32 and add to negative 4. What will we have, Carly? Negative 8 and positive 4. Correct. Let's do 8. How does, let's try to do this without the diamond. It's the same thing. How does x squared factor? X and x. I need two numbers that multiply to positive 16 that add to negative 10. Negative 8 and negative 2. Negative 8 and negative 2. If you prefer to do this, feel free. Negative 8, negative 2. Multiply to this, add to that. All right, now, here's where things just get a little more tricky. Nope. There's no common factor. There's no shared variable. There's a shared variable here, but not here. So you're looking at this in a different light. It's still a trinomial. This coefficient is still 1. How do you factor r to the 6? Correct. R cubed times r cubed. Isn't r cubed times r cubed r to 6? Because you add it. You want to split right down the middle. Now, is that going to work? Look at my middle term. Isn't that a cube? Isn't that going to be a cube on the outers and the inners? That works out perfectly. So, we want two numbers that multiply to 80 that add to negative 21. Now, when you start getting bigger factors, this is what I do in my head. You might need to write it down. Isn't 80, 1 and 80, 2 and 40? Look, I'm going to go in order. Does 3 go into 80? No, it does not. 4 does. 4 and 20. It does 5. Yes, it does. Watch how easy this is. 5. How many times does 5 go into 20? What's 4 times 4? 5 times 16. Does 6 go into 80? Does 6 go into any of these numbers? No. Does 7 go into any of these numbers? No. 8 does. 8 times 10. Does 9 go into any of those numbers? No, because 3 does it. We already have 10. I've listed all the factors. So, what factors multiply to 80, add to negative 21? You might have to list the factors, but do it in an orderly fashion. So, minus 5, minus 16. Now, just to prove to you that this will work, let's do FOIL. My first r cubed times r cubed is r to the 6th. Because when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. My outers are going to be negative 16r cubed. My inners are going to be negative 5r cubed. And my last are going to be positive 80. When I combine my like terms, I do get negative 21r cubed from my middle term. Does that make sense? All right, let's try. I'm going to change this problem. Okay. Change this problem to this. M to the 12, 2m to the 12, plus 36m to the 7, plus 34m squared. Change that problem. Oh, I do. Cross this out. Now,